America, Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today we're discussing James Madison joining the American cause. In 1774, Parliament passed the Coercive Acts, which effectively shut down the city of Boston and revoked the historic charter of Massachusetts, replacing it with royal authority. This affront to the liberties of American colonists greatly troubled Madison and pushed him into the camp of American separatists. And it was here that Madison found his true calling and to which he would devote the rest of his life. Madison's merit was quickly recognized and in 1779 was appointed to the Governor's Council, where, for the first time, Madison had a chance to interact with then-Governor Thomas Jefferson. It would be the beginning of a lifelong friendship and collaboration. The following year, Madison was elected to the Confederation Congress, the youngest delegate at age 29, where he served for almost 4 years, rarely missing a day. Madison's brilliant mind and extraordinary work ethic soon gained the young Virginian the admiration of his fellow congressmen and made him a leader in the National Assembly. It was during this time in Philadelphia that he first met George Washington, then the commander of the Continental Army, and perhaps the most influential man in Madison's life other than Thomas Jefferson. Madison came to worship Washington almost as a father figure, and the respect was mutual. But while in Congress, Madison also experienced firsthand the many issues with a weak central government, and that experience led him to collaborate with fellow nationalists like Washington and Alexander Hamilton to create a national government capable of sustaining the growth that they felt was certain to come. In early 1787, Madison sent letters to Edmund Randolph, governor of Virginia, and George Washington, which outlined Madison's plan of government that he intended to introduce at the upcoming Constitutional Convention. Madison proposed a mixed government that blended states' rights with a strong central authority, comprised of 3 co-equal branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. A government that had the power to tax, control commerce, negotiate treaties, raise armies and navies, and so much more. The ideas and concepts that Madison laid out in these letters were visionary, and ultimately formed the basis of our Constitution. Next week, we will discuss James Madison and the Constitutional Convention. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.